property in New Mexico, and I figured I would take you guys along with me and do an overnight. Come along and see our property and our little evening, our 24 hours we'll have on our piece of land. There is some snow on the ground. It's not bad, but enough to where it's gonna be, you know, a bite of cold tonight. The mountaintops over there are frozen, icy snow. Yeah, it's gonna be a cold night, but it'll be so beautiful.
Right from Chama down to Tierra Amarilla, there's buffalo to the side.
Oh, live?
Yeah,
Live.
There's live footage of them. It's just a TV.
So I figured we'd have some snow. It looks like it might come down again tonight too. We're checking out the, here goes Ruko, the corners of our property. Everything is frozen. Oh my gosh. We just woke up. It is numbingly cold. The air numbs your fingers immediately. Look at this beautiful sunrise. We need to hit the road, honestly. We've got a 9-hour drive ahead of us. It was a quick 24 hours here, but it was worth it. We got to check out the property. It's been great. All right, I'm gonna go get warm. We've made it down the piece of property, and we were welcomed into the meadow by a pack of elk. It was so beautiful. It's cold, but man, it's like gorgeous. All right, I know this was a quick video, but thanks for watching, you guys. Ciao.